New Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills feature a sleek design, long-term durability, and quality cooking performance. The stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or low temperatures and emit flame from the top for even cooking and added durability. Simply push the electronic ignition to light your burners. Keep track of the preheat status and monitor the inside temperature of your grill. Porcelain-coated cast iron grates ensure heat retention, are rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan is easy to clean and resists wear and tear. Durably constructed, you can count on good times and great-tasting food. Made to last, Char-Broil Performance Gas Grills are a durable and stylish choice for all your grilling needs.
On your patio, in your backyard, or at the campground, the 36-inch griddle cooking station from Blackstone is going to cook the food you love. The four powerful 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners are independently controlled, creating 4 cooking zones and enough versatility to cook for 2 or the entire neighborhood. The Blackstone 36-inch griddle features a solid steel griddle top, 720 square inches of evenly heated cooking surface. Cook eggs, pancakes, veggies, burgers, stir fry, steaks, or just about anything else to perfection. Experience the ease, fun, and flavor of griddle cooking with the Blackstone 36-inch griddle cooking station. Blackstone, outdoor cooking without compromise.
Napoleon is proud to introduce our new lineup of Prestige Pro Series grills with a multitude of exclusive features and crafted with the utmost detail and care in mind. These grills have everything you need and more, with features like instant jet fire ignition, ensuring a quick and easy startup every time, or the 2-stage power side burner with the circular center infrared burner for endless cooking options. You'll know it's a Napoleon with the iconic wave cooking grids for those distinctive sear marks. The culinary journey is never-ending, with the impressive cooking area and heavy-gauge stainless steel construction allowing you to grill for years to come. Discover that party atmosphere with Napoleon's gourmet outdoor kitchens and grill up restaurant-quality food in your own backyard. Perfect for the grill masters who love entertaining, Napoleon's exclusive nightlight control knobs with safety glow colors that can be changed to match any decor and new proximity lighting makes cooking long into the night a breeze. Napoleon's Prestige Pro Series grills consist of 3 models: Pro 825, Pro 665, and Pro 500, as well as an array of built-in models. Upgrade your grilling game. Upgrade to a Napoleon.
If you're searching for the pinnacle of high quality and gas grill elegance, you have found it in the Weber Summit S670. It's a backyard dreamer's wish come true, with all the high-end features necessary to flex grilling muscles not previously known or used. The Summit Gas Grill arrives pre-assembled with only minor final assembly involving minutes, not hours. It's made to last and built to perform, crafted with only the finest materials and engineered to resist rust and discoloration. The body is comprised of a sturdy painted steel welded frame, intended to be practically indestructible, ensuring your grill will last for years. The stainless steel lid features a center-mounted thermometer that accurately reads the inside temperature of the grill for preheating and cooking. Framing the lid are painted cast aluminum end caps for added strength and durability. For the ultimate in convenience, Summit Gas Grills come with either 1 or 2 grill-out handle lights. each with a built-in sensor which automatically turns on when you lift the lid, putting the spotlight on the food where it should be. A roomy storage area is enclosed by stainless steel doors with polished chrome handles and painted side and rear panels. There is ample space inside for both the LP tank and whatever barbecue tools you need to keep close. For safety as well as function, the Summit Gas Grill features 2 heavy-duty front locking casters and 2 heavy-duty back swivel casters that allow you to easily maneuver your grill on your deck or patio and then lock it in place. The Summit Gas Grill has large stainless steel work surfaces that flank both sides of the grill. The side tables are finished with painted cast aluminum end caps. The Summit Gas Grill meets every LP gas consumer's needs by featuring a backlit LED tank scale. Simple push-button functionality lets you know where you stand with fuel at all times. The Snapjet individual burner ignition system consistently and reliably lights each of the burners for ultimate and precise cooking control. Inside the Summit Gas Grill, heavy 9mm stainless steel rod cooking grates are built to retain heat and create perfect sear marks. The sturdy 12,000 BTU per hour input side burner makes the Summit a complete gas grill outdoor cooking station. The burner is large enough to accommodate sauté pans as well as saucepans and will allow you to conveniently finish your cooking process at one time in one place. The high-powered 10,000 BTU per hour input sear station burner is designed to step up the heat on demand for perfectly seared steaks, roasts, and chops. Your meals will have a tantalizing smoky flavor when you turn your grill into a smoker by using the integrated stainless steel smoker box with its separate dedicated 6,800 BTU per hour input burner. The tuck-away rotisserie system with a rear-mounted infrared burner makes spit roasting foods simple. Use the infrared burner for 20 minutes, then turn it off and finish cooking using the indirect cooking method. The heavy-duty spit can hold up to 2 large birds at a time. After cooking, store the spit rod and forks in the enclosed cart area, while the rotisserie's flip-up motor will tuck into the side table when not in use. The Summit S670 is Weber's top-of-the-line gas grill masterpiece, made with unflinching attention to detail and performance. It would fit so nicely in your backyard.